Alright guys, this is a live video where I'm going to show you how you can make use of HandBrake to reduce the size of your videos. As you can see, I just finished exporting this video on CapCut. Let me show you the size of this file. This is a CapCut thing. Let me go to the folder of this video so that you can see the actual size of the video. This is 33.6 megabytes. I'm going to show you how this size is going to be reduced to something around 13 megabytes without losing the quality of the video. Let me play this video first so that you can see the quality, how sharp the video is before we dive
Looking
into
for
how
easy
you
ways
can,
to earn rewards in Islam.
as you can
Here are
see,
3
just
simple
look at
actions
the
you can do every
quality
day.
of this
Number
video. As you
1,
can see,
recite.
it looks sharp and okay. Let's go on HandBrake. On the hand, when you open the software, is an open software which is free online. Just go on Google and search for HandBrake software and install it on your PC. After you might have installed the software on your PC and you open the software, come down to where we have this file here, click on file and go to where you have this video in which you want to reduce the size. Let me, as you can see, I'm on my my folder now. Let me click on this video. This is the video in which I want to reduce its size. As you can see now, we have the options that shows MP4. We have different formats here, but I'm going to go for this MP4 format without changing anything here. Just click on start encode. You see the magic now. As you can see now, it has passed 10%, 11, 12, 13. As you can see, to move from here down here. After you might have complete the encoding to 100%, you're going to see it in which this arrow will turn completely green. Need to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can be one of the first people that will have the first hand information anytime I drop awesome video on this channel. And like this video and share this video to your friends. As you can see now, it has reached 77%, 79, 81. Let's wait till it gets to when we have this 100%. Boom, it has completed to 100% now. You can click on browse here, or you can go to where we have this folder. I have the folder saved on that video. Let me go on video. This is the video format folder, sorry, and I save it with reward. As you can see now, it has turned from 33 point something to 8.95 megabytes. Let me play it. This is the video. As
Looking
I
for
play the
easy
video,
ways to earn rewards in Islam. Here are 3 simple actions you can do every day. Number 1, recite a short dua. Start your day by reciting the morning and evening duas. These short supplications protect you and bring blessings throughout your day. Number 2, give charity no matter, even a smile or sharing a meal counts as charity in Islam. Remember, every act of kindness brings immense reward. Number 3,
help for now.